Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Amaze Academy of Science. Today, we are starting chapter number 4 of first year biology. Our topic for today's video is disaccharides. In this lecture, we will discuss important MCQs, short questions, and one long question, which are very important from an examination point of view. So students, focus carefully and let's begin. MCQ 1. Disaccharides are formed by the combination of Option A, 1 monosaccharide, Option B, 2 monosaccharides, Option C, 3 monosaccharides, Option D, many monosaccharides. Correct answer is Option B, 2 monosaccharides. MCQ 2. Disaccharides are formed by which process? Option A, hydrolysis, Option B, oxidation, Option C, dehydration synthesis, Option D, reduction. Correct answer is Option C, dehydration synthesis. 3. The covalent bond between 2 monosaccharides is called Option A, peptide bond, Option B, hydrogen bond, Option C, glycosidic bond, Option D, ionic bond. Correct answer is Option C, glycosidic bond. MCQ 4. On hydrolysis, disaccharides yield Option A, polysaccharides, Option B, proteins, Option C, fatty acids, Option D, monosaccharides. Correct answer is Option D, monosaccharides. MQ 5. Compared to monosaccharides, disaccharides are Option A, more soluble in water, Option B, less soluble in water, Option C, insoluble in water, Option D, equally soluble. Correct answer is Option B, less soluble in water. M6. Maltose is also known as Option A, milk sugar, fruit sugar, Option C, cane sugar, Option D, malt sugar. Correct answer is Option D, malt sugar. MC7. Maltose is composed of Option A, glucose and fructose, Option B, glucose and galactose, Option C, 2 glucose molecules, Option D, 2 fructose molecules. Correct answer is Option C, 2 glucose. MK8. The glycosidic bond present in maltose is Option A, 1 to 2 glycosidic bond, Option B, 1 to 6 glycosidic bond, Option C, 1 to 4 glycosidic bond, Option D, 2 to 6 glycosidic bond. Correct answer is Option C, 1 to 4 glycosidic bond. MCQ 9. Maltose is formed during digestion. Option A, cellulose, Option B, glycogen, Option C, protein, Option D, starch. Correct answer is Option D, starch. MCQ 10. Lactose is a disaccharide composed of Option A, glucose and glucose, Option B, glucose and fructose, Option C, glucose and galactose, Option D, fructose and galactose. Correct answer is Option C, glucose and galactose. MCQ 11. What type of glycosidic linkage is found in sucrose? Option A, 1 to 4 linkage, Option B, 1 to 2 linkage, Option C, 1 to 6 linkage, Option D, 2-4 linkage. Correct answer is Option B, 1-2 linkage. 12. Which sugar is called the transport disaccharide in plants? Option A, lactose, Option B, glucose, Option C, sucrose, Option D, starch. Correct answer is Option C, sucrose. MC13. High fructose corn syrup is produced by converting glucose into Option A, galactose, fructose, Option C, maltose, Option D, lactose, and B, lactose. MC14. What is the role of sucrose in plants? Option A, store fat, Option B, transport glucose, Option C, form proteins, Option D, synthesize cellulose. Correct answer is Option B, transport glucose. MCQ 15. The molecular formula of sucrose is Option A, CHEO2 Voltron, Option H2, Option C, C2H22O. Option D, CNH2. Correct answer is Option C, H2O. And important short questions for students. Students, prepare the following short questions carefully. What are disaccharides? Define glycosidic bond. What happens to disaccharides on hydrolysis? Why are disaccharides less soluble in water than monosaccharides? What is maltose? Which bond joins glucose molecules in maltose? Where is maltose found? How is maltose formed in the human body? Why is sucrose called transport disaccharide? Differentiate between lactose and sucrose. How did soft drink industries change sweeteners in the 1980s? Where is lactose found and what is its importance? Long question. Write a detailed note on disaccharides, including definition, formation, examples, and biological importance.